What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here. Thanksgiving Eve. Making a little morning drive through Atlanta, and you can see there's pretty much no traffic at 7:40 a.m. So that's nice. Looks like a lot of people have taken today off. Pretty sweet. Let's give you a little view here of my fair city. I'm a Atlanta native, born right near downtown Atlanta in the Grant Park area, Moreland Avenue, in East Atlanta. And yeah, the only complaint I have living here is traffic is really bad more often than not. And last year, during the COVID year, traffic was more like this, which was non-existent, so it was awesome. But it's now back to normal, as far as traffic's concerned. But yeah, today, not so bad. In fact, I would say this is no traffic at all, considering what it usually is. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys some warm wishes for the holidays. I know, last year was basically crappy because of what all went on with that whole COVID mess. And, some countries are still suffering through it and shutting down and that sort of thing, which is just ridiculous. I know people have mixed feelings about that whole COVID thing. I don't think you want to know my feelings about it. But, and as far as our channel was concerned, yeah, we got hit pretty hard by good old NBC regarding, motocross, AMA motocross videos and whatnot. So we've stopped doing that because it's just too risky, too much work involved. It's just, just not good when the man hits you with a copyright strike, and if you get 3 of them within 90 days, your channel gets shut down forever. And when you've worked, 5 years to build your channel up and get it to a monetized state, and if you have a monetized channel, you know how it is. You make decent little money off of it. It may not be one of those million view channels, but it's not bad. It pays the bills and whatnot as we're going through downtown right here. Whoa, guys zipping through traffic, driving like maniacs. So yeah, no more AMA motocross crap for us, because we almost lost our channel 3 times actually. So it's just not worth it. And also, if you post videos that other channels have posted, of any type, YouTube can demonetize your channel for that as well, we've found out. Even if it wasn't a copywritten or copyright strike deal. So yeah, they've really cracked down on that sort of thing in the last year or so. So yeah, we're sticking to our own videos now, which is more, how-tos and do-it-yourself and my hot wife and, fun stuff like that. We're going to be doing more car and motorcycle, dirt bike, sports car stuff. Make sure you look through our channel for the Cadillac ATS-V, which is an amazing car. Previous videos including the Hummer H3 Alpha, Ford Mustang GT, older model, Ford Taurus X. Lovely clear morning this morning. Harley Davidsons, motocross bikes. Oh, the cops have been out like crazy today too. Georgia State Patrol and City of Atlanta Police all over the place pulling people over. We noticed this the past couple of days. So yeah, be on the lookout if you're driving around today. What else? Anyway, just look through our channel. We got just hundreds of videos of all shapes and sizes. And some of them will help you solve problems on your vehicle or your ATV, your dirt bike or whatever. Some of them will help you fix stuff around the house. Fun stuff, We try to do decent videos that are helpful, especially if we've noticed that what we're filming is a really good fix that a lot of people could benefit from. So yeah, keep a lookout for stuff like that in the future also. And we'll have a new feature vehicle coming soon as well. Should just be a few days away. And we'll do a review and, opinion and that sort of stuff. Anyway, didn't want to bore you guys, but yeah, check out our channel, Horsepower House. We have 2 YouTube channels. We also have a Facebook page, also under the same name. We're on eBay and Amazon, mostly selling motorcycle-related parts and tools, specialty stuff, hard-to-find stuff, unique stuff. So if you just Google Horsepower House, you'll find all kinds of interesting things that we do and have been doing for almost 20 years now. So yeah, been doing this kind of stuff for a long time. What started as a hobby, going to motocross races as a track vendor, turned into an online store, and then I've always been into film and photo and video and things like that. So that's how the YouTube channel began back in 2007 or 8. Finally got it monetized in 2018. That took a long time. We could do a whole video on that process of monetizing your YouTube channel. It is not easy, but it can be worthwhile. But yeah, look at this lovely sunny morning in Atlanta. And if you guys are spending time with your family or whoever, hope y'all have a good time. Be thankful for whatever you have going well in your life, because it could be a lot worse. And I'm very thankful for what's happened to us in the past few years, and thankful for my lovely lady. She has 2 teenage daughters, one now in college. Oh, yeah. See, he just pulled somebody over. State trooper just got somebody. Probably for driving in the HOV lane with only one passenger, or only one occupant. Let's let him over. Come on over, buddy. They have been on the prowl today. Not fun. Yeah. Coming through this stretch of downtown that we just came through, I will see a minimum of 3 to 5 cars pulled over. I'll see accidents, all over this area, stalled cars, flat tires, just all over the place. And this is only about a 10-mile stretch of highway. This is the city of Atlanta, which, sometimes not the greatest neighborhoods you're driving through. Anywho, y'all have a good time and a good holiday season, and we hope you enjoy our channel, because we're always trying to do some things that'll help you out. So, Biker Dave signing off here, heading to the main Atlanta post office, dropping off packages for our customers to get them out sooner than later. Because if you take stuff to your local post office, you're probably wasting 3 to 5 days, because they're so understaffed with labor shortages and that sort of crap. So we don't bother with that. We actually take our stuff straight to the humongous Atlanta post office that sends stuff straight out from here. So it saves us a good 3 to 5 days, we've estimated. Pleasing our customers. Horsepower House. Google us all over the place. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.